up, guys? Mark here, Wired Customs. We just started the largest, heaviest, biggest under the seat box for a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Jackal. This is a special package that they offer. It's a limited supply. This one's gonna have 410s. We've never done 410s. The speaker that we're using is the DD Audio 3510, which, as many of you know, is a really heavy, strong 3-inch coil speaker. Here it is right here. It's basically an 11.5-inch speaker because it has what's called ESP technology, which means the basket is larger. So this box has to be strong. This has been a lot of work. As you can tell, I am sweaty and dirty. We have the enclosure is double baffled. We have our panels here all prepared. We have to cut out the port now. Then we have to cut out the notch where the transmission hump is. And then it'll look like a box. And then we'll cut out the holes and hope that the spacing works out right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we have the 2021 Silverado. We're gonna wrap the panels now on the side portion. We're gonna wrap these in black vinyl. That's what we do. Thank you. We did a 2.5-inch lift here. That bit's gonna be loud, nasty loud. Check that out. Isn't that cool? All these things pull out like that. Isn't that cool? I know you want to look at that invoice, but you can't. All right, it's hard to do with one hand here. All right. 6.2. That one is though. See those wide fenders. This is called the 2021 Chevrolet Jackal. It's a special edition. They're like, I think they're like 90 grand. We're gonna be doing 410s, 4 DD Audio 3510s. 4 of those bad boys. Gonna be running those on around 4K, 4 to 5K. It's gonna be pretty loud. Should be the loudest one. Should be.